Hi children, welcome to Narayana Life class. Today in this class, in this assignment, let us complete what is the role of the nutrients and what are the sources. Okay. First, what are the nutrients? The nutrients, they provide us the energy, isn't it? The nutrients, they are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals and roughages. Okay, first let us go with the carbohydrates. The carbohydrates, they provide us the energy. Okay, let us write here what is the role of the carbohydrates. The carbohydrate, they provide energy to our body. That's why they are known as the energy giving food. Okay, that's why the carbohydrates, they are known as the energy giving food. What are the sources of carbohydrates? In which food items the carbohydrates is present? They are rice, wheat, maize, okay, potatoes and sugar and bread. So in these food items the carbohydrates are present. Okay, rice, wheat, maize, potatoes, sugar and bread, all these are the sources of carbohydrates. Okay, now next let us go with the fats. As we know, the fat, it is stored in our body. So what is the role of the fat? The fat, it keeps the body warm. What is the role of the fats? The fats keeps the body warm. The fats keeps the body warm and provide it for later use. Okay, and provide it for later use. Okay, next, what are the sources of fats? In which food items the fat it is present? Mostly the food items like ghee, butter, some of the vegetable oil, etc. Okay, so the fats, what is the role of fats? The fats keeps the body warm and provide it for later use. And what are the sources? In which food items the fat it is present? It is present in ghee, butter, vegetable oil, etc. Okay, now next let us go with the next slide. See here, proteins. What is the role of the proteins? As we know, the proteins, it gives us the energy, isn't it? The proteins, they give us the energy. What is the role of the proteins? The proteins, they help us the body building. Okay, they are the proteins. The other name for the proteins is the body building food. So what is the role of proteins now? The proteins, they help in the maintenance of the body. Okay, the proteins help in body building and maintenance of body. So in which food items the proteins is present? What are the sources? In which food items the proteins it is present? So in food items like meat, milk, meat, soya bean, etc. So in these food items the proteins it is present. The proteins it is present in milk, meat, soya bean, etc. and some pulses. And now next let us go with the vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals, mostly we know in which food items the vitamins and minerals are present. It is the fruits and vegetables. What is the use of taking a large amount of fruits and vegetables? They keeps our body fit and strong, and we can fight with the diseases. Okay. Let us write what is the role of the vitamins and minerals. The vitamins and minerals, they keep us healthy. The vitamins and minerals, they keep us healthy and help us to fight with the diseases. Okay, and help to fight with diseases. Okay. What is the role of the vitamins and minerals? The role of the vitamins and minerals is to keep us healthy and help to fight with the diseases. So, in which food items vitamins and minerals are present? They are vegetables, fruits, milk, etc. Okay, in food items like vegetables and fruits, milk, etc. In all these food items, the vitamins and minerals are rich. Now next, roughages. The roughages is the waste materials. The fibers in our body helps to remove the waste materials from the body. Okay, let us write here. Fibers help the food. Fibers helps the food and waste to remove from the digestive system. Okay, the fibers helps the food to remove it from the digestive system. So, in which food items the roughages are present? See here the sources, in food items like mostly the vegetables, fruits, whole wheat bread, etc. In all these things the roughages are present. Okay, the use of the roughages is to clean the digestive system. Okay, thank you.